Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Mm, wait, yeah. Hey, so what are you doing usually after going back from school?
Nothing.
Nothing. When you usually went back from school?
3 o'clock.
Okay. When you depart from home to go to school, 7 or 8?
6.
Oh, okay. Is yours? Oh, so it means you live far from school.
A little far.
Oh, I see. You must be tired. Okay. Let me share screen ya. Wait a moment. Okay, can you see my screen? Can see my
Yes.
screen? Okay. So yeah, let's start. So yeah, you already learned about lists, tuples, dictionary, also sets. So yeah, there are two type of data type, immutable and changeable. Immutable, it means you cannot modify the value once you create, but for changeable, yeah, you can modify the value. Yeah, for list, yeah, this is the example of list. Can you tell me how many elements inside this list?
7.
Yes, 7. Okay. Yeah, so we also learn how to add a data into the list. We use append. How to remove the data. How to remove the element. We use dot remove. If we want to search, we use in. And then if we want to sorting the data, yeah, we use dot sort. Okay. Yeah, we also learn about tuple. Yeah, the difference between list and tuple. For tuple, you cannot modify the value. And last week we also learned about dictionary. Dictionary consists of key and values. Okay. Yeah. So if we works with dictionary, we use square bracket. And yeah, the last one is set. For set is a unique value. So you cannot add multi duplicate value inside a set. Okay. Okay. So today what we will do is wait. Yeah, so you will given a task and then you try to solve the problem based on the task. And then yeah, you will use a nested data structure or nested list or nested dictionary. Okay? Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so yeah, basically we don't have a new topic. We just try to solve a problem using what we had learned. Okay? So maybe what you can do is you can share screen and then yeah. Let's review on what we had learned. Yes. 16? Yes, number one. Yeah. Okay, you categorize which one is list, which one is tuple, dictionary, and plenty is a set. Okay, so there is something wrong here. What is the wrong? This one. This one is not dictionary, right? Because dictionary always comes with a pair, key and value. So that one is not dictionary. What else? Let me see again. What else the problem? So this one is plenty. Wait, let me. Where is it? This one? This one is plenty. And then this one? This one is tapao. Let me see. What else? Each option has three answers, I guess. Yeah. Have you arranged? Let me see. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Okay, try. Okay, good job. Next. Yeah, so you just learn this program, just run and then submit, yeah. So you enter the number and then separate with a space. So for example, a 6 and then space 7. So it will give you two numbers or any yeah, and then yeah, so it give you two numbers. Okay. How about the excellent student? How can you know it's excellent? Look at this. Excellent if they have a mark 5. So can you try? Okay, so number of excellent student 1. Okay, so it will count how many? Number 5. Okay, yeah, try again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, once you understand, you can submit. And then based on that, can you answer the question? There are three answers, yeah. The program outputs a list with integer type. Is that integer? No, right? If you go back again, it's a string. Yeah, feel free to go back if you forget the results. Okay, let's see. At the beginning of the program, marks is a string with the grade. Yeah, that one is correct. And then this one is wrong. The second one is wrong. This one, right? If you enter the grade without sparing with a space, nothing will change and the number x will count it correctly. No, right? It will not count it. So yeah. Okay, try. Okay, good job. Next. Okay, yeah, this time you have to write your own program. Please read the question. Yeah, let me know if you don't understand the logic. Mm-mm. Do you understand what should you do? Yeah, yeah. Feel free to go back. Don't forget the input. Mm-mm. And as you can see here, they use a space, right? After that, you will create a list. So it's almost similar like the previous one. Mm-mm. Okay.
I don't know what else to do.
You can try print first. Print. Print. I mean, print the names. Name with S, right? Because you use the variable here. Yeah, you try first. Later you will know what you should do. Try using space. Yeah, try. Inputting name and use a space. Okay? Yeah, so Can you try to make it similar like this? Class list and then add number. If you want the number increase, you should add a variable here. For example, like running number is, and then yeah, later you add it here.
So I change the number.
Yeah. At the beginning, the number is 1, right? You change as 1. Yeah, and then you add the number here, the students. Yeah, you add the students here. Mm-mm. Yeah, comma. Yeah, don't forget the comma. Yeah, and then increase the number. Otherwise, the number is always 1. Increase the number. So it will be students plus equals 1. It means we will increase the number. You do it after line 6. No, you do it line 6. Don't do it there. So at the beginning, the student is 1, but you increase the number here after line 6. You cannot do it there. Yeah, you cannot. You have to do it here outside the print. Mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah, okay, try. Okay. Okay. Which one that you can fix? Yeah. Okay. And then what else? Can you check the question first? I think there's still something that you need to print. Yeah, how to print the total? Yes, and then you use len. And then what's the variable name? Without s, right? Because yours is without s. Mm. Yeah. Maybe you can check the input, like this question. Is there anything that you miss? Total, class list. For the list, you just use a lowercase l. Mm-mm. What else, yeah? Let me see. Oh, you haven't sort. They told you to sort, right? Like number 1. How to sort. So after line number 2, you can sort. Because after line number 2 is already a list, right? How to sort a list? Yeah, you don't need name equals, just name dot sort. Mm. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, continue to number 5. Okay, this time you try the program first and see how it works, and then you try to continue this.
What is profile subjects?
Yeah, you have to try first. You try, then you can understand. You try the program. Like try to input something. Like using a space maybe, or yeah, try using, or not using a space, use a comma. For example, math, comma, something. Yeah, last name. And then the subject is comma. Yeah, do you see? Do you understand what should you do? So, okay, there are two functions that you need to finish. You need to do, right? Get info and print info. So what is used for? So for the get info, you ask the question, and then you put it into a list. For print info, it's just for print. So this one is part of print info. Yeah, don't forget you use a list, and then open this also. Open the hashtag to remove the comment.
This one too?
Yeah, how to write a function. So after you write a function, you use a colon, and then anything inside the function should have one tab. Yeah, don't forget the colon. Yeah, also at line number 1. Yeah, so student, here student is the list. So how to print this? How to print, wait, which one? Yeah, this one. This is for print info. The list name is student. So similar like your previous exercise. You use 4, right? Because there are more than one data. Okay. Then you print. Yeah, you will a little bit confused how to call this because you haven't finished this one. I suggest you finish this one first. How you're going to save? After you ask the last name and profile subject, what should you do? You should input them into a list, right? So how to do it? create a list. If you forget, I think there is a clue here. I think can you scroll down? Do they have clue? Oh no, they don't have. Yeah, you can just create a list. Student equals list. Like this.
In in
After
the
line 4? No,
oh,
inside the function get info. Yeah, you remove line 3, yeah. We don't need line 3. So for example, I want to append, I show you one example. I want to append the last name. It will be like this. Student dot append, and then wait, let me type. It will be like this. And then I also append student dot append, yeah, your profile subject.
so I do it on the bottom or
Yeah, after line 4. Mm. And then also for the profile subject, as you can see, this profile subject separate by comma. Later you print it one by one, right? So you have to, after you do this, you use dot split. Split using apa ya? Using, maybe you can read the question, what they say about the split. Get info. Yeah, this one. Subject are entered through a space, okay? So you split using a space, but accidentally write comma as well. So what you need to do is you separate you replace the comma first, you remove the comma, later you split using a space. I show you the example. Like this. Right. Like this. So you replace, oh, I think not clear enough. This one. Yeah, you replace comma with a empty space, empty string. So it means you remove, yeah. And please adjust to your variable name. Your variable name is subject, right? So yeah, you can change, I think, subject. No need last. So if it's subjects, yeah, you make it similar subjects. Mm. And then after you replace, it means you're removing the comma, you split using a space. Yeah, after that, what do you need to do? Look at this, generate a sort. So how to sort?
is it after or before the list?
It's up to you, but we have to sort the subject.
Student.
No, subject, right?
Oh yeah,
You sort the
subject.
subject.
Sort.
Yeah, and then after that, don't forget to append the subjects after this. After lines 8, you append the sort subject. Uh, yeah, please fix, yeah, this one with S, this one, yeah. Subjects. Yeah, and then append. Student dot append.
I do it twice.
Yeah, of course. You already append the last name, but you haven't append the subject. Yeah, and then you return the student. Okay, now you already know at the beginning you input first last name, and the second you add a subject. So you can print here how to get the last name. It will be student. No, we use a list, right? It will be student, student one, index. Oh, okay. Index 0, right? Yeah. Oh, I think you missed something here. For the last name, you don't need a loop, so you can just print the questionnaire and last name. Later, you using loop when you print the subject because the subject is more than one. So like this. So you do it before the for. You use for only for subjects. So you do it here after line 11. You print questionnaire and then the list.
So I don't need for.
Yeah, you need for later after for subject. Yeah, try first. Okay, now you add the subject. So you use loop. You use for here. For. Yeah, the variable is not the list name is not subjects, right? It will be student index. Student index 0 is the last name. Subject student index 1. So this one is not subject but student. This one is index 0 and then this one is index 1. No. It will be like this. The last name is index 0. So the subject will be index 1.
Do I need to add this part
Yes, because it's a running number. You can put it inside after line 11.
after line 11?
Yeah, use different variable name,
Okay.
number or something else. Yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Mm-mm. Subject. Yeah, increase the number.
in num, right?
Mm. Yeah, yeah. Okay, try. Yeah, yeah. Can you try submit? Is it already
This
okay?
one is repeated.
Oh, okay. So how to make it only appear once?
Uh,
The profile subject. You move the position.
or do I have to move it up here? Like,
Yeah. Okay, good job. Before we are not doing this one, before we go to the next topic, do you need a break? Maybe a short one, 4 minutes.
okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Tes. Yeah, let's continue. Okay, so now we continue the next exercise because there is no new topic. So basically, it's just reviewing what we had learned so far. You can share screen again, and then we go to exercise number 2. Yeah, we go back and then go to exercise number 2. Yes, this one. Hey, yeah, which one that has no error? More than one answer. Mm. This one is wrong, yeah, because you look at this key and value, you cannot put a list as a key. List only become a value, not a key. That is wrong. It's wrong because of this one. This one is okay. So yes, okay, try. Yeah, based on the dictionary, which one is the value? Oh yeah, just this one. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, this time you create the program from the scratch. Yeah, please read the question first. Let me know whether you understand or not. The clue here is you repeat the question, right? So it means you use while. Mhm. So do we need list, dictionary, or tuple, or what? You read the question. They told you which one that you should use. So we will use
List.
yeah. So you create the list first. So later you create a list, and then you ask the question. Don't different variable name yeah, and then yeah later you input the subject into a list subjects. Yeah, and then do lowercase, right? Do they tell you to do lowercase? Yeah, you do a lowercase for the subjects. And yeah, because yeah, they convert to lowercase. And then you use while. So as long as the subjects not equals to 0, not while true, while subjects. Mm. Use a string because this is a string. Mm. Okay. And then you check, right? If you follow this, if the subject. Subjects in mm, this item. Mm. And then else. Mm-mm.
I keep forgetting how to add.
Oh, subject dot append the list name dot append. Yeah, bracket. Yeah, and then the what do you want to add? Subjects. Yes, and then you ask again the input outside the if. Here, ask
Berarti
again.
return.
Yeah, you ask again like this. No, this one and this one. You ask again. No need return because we don't have function here. So we use return when we have function. No need the list, yeah, only line number 1 and line number 3. Mm. Yeah. And after that, what we need to do? Sorted alphabetically. So do it here outside the loops. So you sort one it finish. Yeah, here. Yeah. Lastly, this one. Yeah, no need like this. You just print the subjects. It automatically will give you the brackets. Yes. Okay, try. No, it's not subjects actually. This one is not subject. This one is not subject. What is your list name? List name. Yeah, okay, try again. Yes, okay. Understand, yeah. Last one, number 4. Yeah, this time you are doing dictionary. Yes, almost similar, but yeah, this one is dictionary. Mm-mm. Yeah, yeah, correct. Yeah, after outer. It's not outer one. It's book. Enter the book, right? It's different now. Yes, yes. Okay. So as you can see, book is more than one. So you store book in a list. Different variable name, yeah. Books, for example. And then how to repeat the question while mm without S. Because this one is without S, right? This one without S. Okay. Not zero S. Yes. Mm. Do they need to check whether it's access or no? If they don't need to check, you just append.
Oh yeah, it doesn't need to be added.
Yeah, yeah. So it means you just append.
Book, book. Is it book or is it still books?
Book with S. Append. This one is list. Okay. This one is the list.
Pen.
Mm. Append.
Uh, oh yeah.
Books append. Book without S. You append the book.
Open the book.
This one. Append the book.
Book.
Yeah. And then, yeah, okay. Now add the data into a dictionary. How to add the data into a dictionary? Your dictionary name is?
My shelf.
Yeah, myself.
My shelf.
Yeah, square bracket. Square bracket.
Oh.
Yeah, square bracket. Yeah, what is the key name? The key
Uh,
will be, you can check here.
why?
Yeah, the key name. Can you click this? Can you click the picture? The picture. No, you click the picture first. You will know what is it. Okay, look at this. This is the key. Which one is this? Is this author or the book?
Outer.
Yeah, so instead of this one, you put author.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. Wait, sorry. Myself, author equals books like this. Oh, no need like that. Just one line. Just yeah, just author. And then oops. Yeah, try. Trust me. Oh, yes, let's try. Yeah. For example, stop. Okay, yeah. That's it. We are not doing this one. But yeah, that's it for today exercise. So what do you think? Is it difficult?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. So can you tell me what we had learned today? Or what you had learned?
List,
Mhm.
dictionary, tuple.
Yeah, list dictionary table. How can you know which one using list and dictionary?
Uh,
What is the difference between dictionary and list?
uh, Dictionary use key and values.
Yeah, so how to know whether you need a key, whether you need a dictionary or list? So if you need to input a key, if you need to store something in a pair, it means you need dictionary. If you don't need to store something in a pair, it means you use a list. So that is how to differentiate.
Okay.
And then, yeah, which one is more difficult among all?
Uh, I think dictionary.
Dictionary? Oh yeah, 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 understandable. Because it's more complex. Okay, yeah, so far, I think, what do you think? So far, learning coding, is it more challenging or so far you're able to do it? What is your challenge?
Uh, make my own system.
Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, for me, like maybe the challenge before you making your system, I think the challenge also is practice because yeah, just try to practice more in your own time. For example, like we have more question left, you can just try and in case you cannot solve it with yeah, you can ask either chat or ask before the class. So yeah, I think the more you practice, yeah, the more you can memorize the code, and also yeah, you also able get the sense how to create your own system. Yeah, yeah, I think that's it. Do you have any other question?
No more.
Okay, yeah, I think that's it for today class. So see you again on Wednesday. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.